You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word of French origin, and we're going to be looking at how to say more confusing names and words pronunciations like this one too many people get wrong. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Let's start with the French pronunciation, crèche. So it comes from French, which is why in English it's pronounced as crèche. Yes, CH in French is like SH, so it's not Creche or Creche or Creche. It's an A sound in the middle. It's just one syllable. Crèche is how you say it, including in English. Now you know. If you pronounce it any differently, let us know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Stay tuned. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.